Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Good. So today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about workshop operation. Okay? Our topic for today in basic technology is on workshop operation. Okay? Did we get that? Our topic is workshop operation. Good. A workshop is like a special room where people make things or fix things. It's a place where you can build, repair, or create all sorts of items. Okay? A workshop is like a special room where people make things or fix things. It's a place where you can build, repair, or create all sorts of items. Okay? So we are going to be looking at different activities in a workshop. Okay? Woodworking, making small wooden projects. Electronics, building simple electronic circuits. Cooking, learning to prepare basic recipes. Arts and crafts, creating artwork or crafts. Gardening, planting and caring for plants. Sewing, using a sewing machine for simple projects. Car maintenance, basic car care like changing a tire. Pottery, creating clay sculptures or pottery. Basic coding, introduction to computer programming. Home skills, sewing, cooking, and cleaning basics. So all these are activities in a workshop. Okay? Woodworking, electronics, cooking, art and crafts, gardening, sewing, car maintenance, pottery, basic coding skill, home skill. Remember, the meaning of workshop is like a special room where people make things or fix things. It's a place where you can build, repair, or create all sorts of items. So these are activities in a workshop. Okay? Do we understand that? Good. Tools in a workshop. We have ruler, scissors, screwdriver, hammer, pliers, tape measure, glue, and saw, safety glasses, gloves. So these are tools in a workshop. Ruler, scissors, screwdriver, hammer, pliers, tape measure, glue, answer, safety glasses, gloves. Let's look at the functions and uses of these tools. Okay? We are going to be looking at the function and uses of these tools we just mentioned. Okay? The ruler is used to measure the length or width of objects. The ruler is used to measure the length or width of objects. Then the scissors is used to cut paper, carbon paper, and lightweight materials. The scissors is used to cut paper, carbon paper, carbon board, and lightweight materials. Then we have the screwdriver. What are the uses of screwdriver? It's used to tighten or loosen screws in various projects. The screwdriver is used to tighten or loosen screws in various projects. Then the hammer is used to drive nails into wood or other materials. The hammer is used to drive nails into wood or other materials. Then we have the pliers. Is used to grip, bend, or cut wires and small objects. The pliers are used for gripping, bending, or cutting wires and small objects. Okay? Then the tape measure is used to measure long distance, like the length of a room or a piece of a wood. So the tape measure is used to measure long distance, like the length of a room or a piece of a wood. Then we have the glue. Is used to stick materials together, such as paper, cardboard, or small craft projects. The glue is used to stick materials together, such as paper, cardboard, or small craft projects. Okay? The handsaw is used to cut through wood or plastic for woodworking projects. So the handsaw is used to cut through wood or plastics for woodworking projects. Okay? Then safety glasses. One to protect the eyes from flying debris or particles when using tools. Then the gloves. One to protect the hands from splinters and sharp objects. Okay, so these are the functions and uses of workshop tools we mentioned. Okay, did we get that? Good. So we are going to be looking at the workshop safety. Okay, wearing safety gear. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with tools. Okay, you should always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with tools. These are like the safety rules for the workshop. Okay, so you wear safety gear. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with tools. Ask for help. If you are unsure, ask the teacher or an adult for help. Okay? You should always ask for help. If you are unsure, you should ask a teacher or an adult for help. No playing. Work seriously and avoid playing or fooling around in the workshop. When you are in the workshop, you should avoid playing. You should take the work seriously. You don't play in the workshop, okay? So no playing. You work seriously and avoid playing in the workshop, okay? Keep clean. Keep your workspace tidy to prevent accidents. The workshop in which you are working in should be kept clean. Okay? It should be kept organized. Every materials and tools should be in the right places so that you won't get into accidents. Okay? Be careful with tools. Learn how to use tools safely and always handle them carefully. You should always handle tools carefully and you should know how to use each tool. And when using them, you should use them safely. Okay? Be careful with tools so that you don't get injured. You should prevent accidents. So you have to be careful with tools. And you have to know the proper way of handling them. Okay? No food or drinks. Don't eat or drink in the workshop to avoid contamination. Okay? You shouldn't eat or drink in the workshop to avoid contamination. There might be harmful substance in the workshop, so you shouldn't eat or drink there. Okay? Emergency plan. Know what to do in case of an accident or fire. There should always be a plan. You should know what to do in case there's a fire or an accident. Okay? So that in any situation there is an accident or fire, you will be able to handle it. So you should know what to do when there is a case of accident or fire. Listen to your teacher. Follow your teacher's instruction closely for a safe workshop experience, okay? You should always listen to your teacher, okay? So these are the safety of a workshop, the safety rules of a workshop. Wear your safety gear, ask for help, no playing, keep clean, be careful with tools, no food or drinks, emergency plan, listen to your teacher. Okay? So today's lesson on workshop, we now know the meaning of workshop, the different activities in different workshops, tools in workshops, and their uses, right? And we now also know the rules for safety in workshop, right? Good. So we are going to be looking at our assignments. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Good.